This is very exciting, everyone, because on this 50-degree January day, we're getting back to working on the adventure bus. Now that it's finally warm out, now that the glue will finally dry, we can get back to work on finishing the interior of the adventure bus. We got some wood, we got some hardwood. With that wood, we are going to be making a custom bunk bed. Bunk bed. Let me show you how this is gonna work. The bunk bed that we are going to build today is going to go over this bed over here. So instead of going across the bus, it's going to go down the bus, about at this height, down to about here. And we're also going to make a desk in the space right here. The reason why we're not putting it across is because it will limit headspace for anybody that's sleeping here, and it's just gonna work perfectly right across right there. This bed is still gonna be able to fold up. You're gonna be able to get into this bed nice and easily. You're gonna have plenty of headroom. You're gonna have windows. It's gonna be a quality bed. I really do miss working in here and being in here. I really want to finish this thing up so we can start going on road trips, because I miss traveling like already. We only went on one, but I want to go on another, so soon. Gotta start finishing, get working. Unlike the previous pieces of furniture that we have built, I'm gonna be doing more of the work outside of the bus and then just kind of bringing it in the bus, screwing it in and being done. Another thing that we are doing differently, we are not going to be finishing all this furniture. Pretty much I want to build the furniture, the framework, the structural everything, and then make it all look nice. For instance, for the bed that we built it and then we made it look nice. However, half that bed is gonna be underneath another bed, so it was kind of pointless to make that part look nice, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna save time by building all the furniture and then making all the furniture look nice. Makes sense? So it's gonna make it a lot easier. We're gonna waste less time, waste less material, waste less money. Originally, we were going to use a twin size mattress for this bunk bed, but the twin size mattress was a little bit too wide, a little bit too tall. Instead, we're using a custom RV truck mattress from Amazon that's about 10 inches narrower, so it would be kind of narrow, but it's gonna be nice because it's not going to take up as much room. So I'm gonna start building. So here's the frame for the mattress. It's really freaking strong, but kind of heavy, which... Oh yeah, this is real comfortable. I got a lot of headspace. It went really well, except for this damn uneven floor. I'm not sure if you can see, but these aren't level, because I had them laying on the floor, thinking that the floor is flat. It's not even close, so... I think I'm gonna try to fix that right now, because I can't stand that. Alright, so the bed is in. It's attached pretty well. Pretty sturdy. Front and backwards, it's not moving at all. You can shake the bus. Side to side, it's a little shaky, so we're gonna go get some L brackets for there. Get some more wood to finish the corner here, and get some more wood to make another post there. It is being held up by like an L bracket over there, but a little not quite sturdy. Like, it holds weight, like I could probably sit on it, but I wouldn't want to be driving down the road going over bumps with someone on here right now. So yeah, we're gonna go get some more wood, get more stuff to make it a little bit stronger.
Watching movies, drifting off, talking in the television glow. Baby, pull you close, and I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go.
So this is pretty much it. Audrey's gonna get on the top bunk to demonstrate. It's sturdy, and that's really the only thing that counts. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. We're not quite finished because we're gonna block off this door. We're gonna make a desk right here. But I ran out of time today, so that is it for today. I love how all the corner pieces work.
We're also putting a ledge up here.
Yeah, we're also doing like a little trim like we do on this one. I really like the way this all works. It looks so sweet. It's super strong. It's bolted to the wall, it's bolted to the floor, it's bolted to the wall of the bus, and this bed. We do have to buy a custom mattress, which kind of sucks, but we'll get that, and then that will be all good. It's really nice for the people who are sleeping here, because it's kind of more private in this area, and it's cozy. And we're going to put curtains along the windows so you can't see that. The other nice thing is that this top bunk is low enough, so if you have the windows open, the person on the top bunk gets some breeze. Yeah, and there's enough headroom. You don't have to worry about bashing your head in. Next furniture we have to build are kitchen cabinets right here, maybe a sink, and then a table slash couch right here. I decided we're gonna put a big TV up on here. So we're gonna have like a big, I don't know, 50 something, 60 something inch TV, and then you can see it from anywhere in the bus. You can be on this bed or on that bed, watching some TV while driving down the road. It's finally beginning to feel more like an RV than a bus, which really makes me happy. I think my carpentering skill leveled up this video, which I'm really happy about. This thing is built so much better than any of the other things in here. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. I'm really excited to finish this bus. It is supposed to get cold again, so I don't know how much more we're gonna be able to do before it warms up. But yeah, guys, if you did enjoy the video, please give it a like. If you didn't, please give it a dislike. A dislike?
I like dislike better.
Dislike, and tell me how I can improve. The bunk bed is really awesome. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Peace out. Okay.